Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can make a smoothie. If you don't like coffee, you won't even taste it, but you can still get the benefits of the Metabolism coffee. So what you're going to need is obviously Metabolism coffee. You're going to need an ice cube bag and fill it up with some coffee. You need to use one of the cafetières, the large ones, because that makes 2 cups. And that's your daily allowance with the Metabolism coffee, 2 cups a day. So you're gonna make 2 smoothies a day and you won't taste the coffee. So we're gonna make a fruit one first. So grab your frozen coffee and you're gonna take the ice cubes out and then pop it in a little blender. So we'll do that now. And as I say, this will make 2 cups. So all the ice cubes in the blender. Nearly there. Okay. Now, if you're like me, I'm not a milk drinker. I don't really care much for milk, so I use fruit. So that's what we're going to do with this first one. Right, so you've got your cubes in. You're going to add some frozen berries. There we go. Then you're going to add some apple juice or whatever juice you like. I like apple juice in smoothies. So I tend to put about halfway in it because you don't want to make it too runny. So there we go. So we've got the Metabolism coffee in our ice cubes. We've got our berries and we've got apple juice. So you're just going to put your little lid on. And obviously, if it's too thin, you just put some more fruit in to thicken it up. If it's too thick, add more juice. And this one needs a little more juice. So just there we go, that's really thick. Just put some more juice in. So it's probably going to need 3/4 of your little blender with juice. Then this would make, well, I'm making one because I'm using half the cubes in this, and then make the 2 separately and put one in the fridge for later. And you won't even taste the coffee, but you're gonna get the benefits of the coffee in it. So there you go. You've got one nice berry smoothie using the Metabolism coffee ice cubes.